Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our today's video. And in this video, I will explain how you can create a successful ad campaign by creating all forms of strategy like target audience and keywords and so on. So as you can see on my screen right now, that there have few more completed ads, and now I have an active ads. So if you see that daily budget is very low because of the customer demand. So there is $1 budget, and if you see $1 budget and the total amount spent is $2.08 only. So it's recent ad, 2 days only post. So already within this $2.08, already the reach got 66,061 and impression 66,447. And if you see the cost per result is $0.03, which is pretty good. It is for per 1,000 reach. For 1,000 reach, you only use $0.03. So how we can make it? How we can make an active ad like this? So you need to firstly click on this create. Okay, here I have also completed ad. If you see that only $10 and they got good result as well. So I will not go through this ad. I will create an ad today. So click on create an ad, and here you will see that now you can choose from 6 simplified objects. So the first one is you need to choose that what types of ad you want to run. There have 6 types like awareness, which includes reach, brand awareness, video views, and store location awareness, and so on. So there is another types, which is traffic. Traffic, it will help you to create more customers, and they will directly contact with you by, you can give a link or you give a website link. They will click and they will go to your website or to the product, or go to the messenger or WhatsApp message or calls. You can directly contact, you will get direct contact with this traffic. Then there have engagement, which have messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp engagement, video views, post engagement. Then you can also create lead generation. Okay, you can collect the data of the customers and from other people, like their phone number, name, Gmail, and their interest as well. Like you can customize your form, and they will answer or automatically will get when they click. So they have good for here is instant forms, messenger conversions, and calls as well. So there is also app promotion. You can promote if you have any apps or your business or anyone. If your client have apps, you can promote through this option, app install and app events, and there have direct sell. So mostly people usually rely on traffic and engagement. These two things is used mostly. You can also, first of all, you can create an awareness campaign as well. So let's see, I will click on engagement. Okay, so let's click on continue. Anything you can select. So this is the form. Campaign name, you can give a campaign name if you want, like test digital marketing or Facebook ads campaign. Okay, you can write whatever you want. So there have also a special category for you, a special ad categories. Declare if your ad are related to credit, employment, housing, or about social issues like elections, politics. Okay, so if you want to run ads, election or politics, you can choose from here that social issues, election, political, or employment. If you want to give circular for certain jobs, you can use it. So forget about those things. Then comes, this is the things that we select. Campaign objective is engagement of our page. So there have A/B test. It helps to understand you that you can at the same time create two ad. So let's forget about that. Uh, to help improve ad performance, test version of different images. So you will use different images, text, audience, placement, different. So for accuracies, one will be shown to separate groups or audience. So you will understand when you create within one ad, you can create different text, different image. So at the same time, it will run to the different people. Then you will be able to understand that which one is working more. So there is also advantage campaign budget. So let's give it on. Keep it on. Now there have two types of budget. You can run daily budget campaign, or you can run lifetime budget, which you will select a types of budget, and otherwise you will select daily budget. Daily budget, usually if you give minimum $2-3 or $3 to $5, it will help you more. It depends on the uh, demand of the client or the business size. So that's it. So daily budget, we can use it. You will use lifetime budget. If you use daily budget, then let's say daily budget is $250. Okay, keep it. Or you will reduce it to $2. Even I use $1. So keep it highest volume. And scheduling, run all the time. Ad scheduling, this is an important thing. Okay, let's make it lifetime budget. I will give not $700. I will give only $50. Let's say $50 ad. Okay. Okay, it is verifying your edits. So there is the option ad scheduling. So what is ad scheduling? Ad scheduling is basically you will choose when will your ad run. Okay, if you choose that all the time it will run, just keep it as it is. But if you choose no, I want to create ads during daytime or during office hour or during only nighttime when people uh, go back to their home, and they will scroll on their mobile and they will see the ad. So you can select in multiple ways, or you can select in different days. Like if you want to select, go on. Okay, we will see the schedule. So it's basically help you to run ad customizedly, like you want to create an ad for Monday or Sunday. Okay, so that then you will get that there. Okay, so click on the next. Okay, we will show you that how you can select the date. Okay, so this is the thing that uh, this is the engagement ad. So you need to select the conversion location, that choose where you want to drive engagement. Okay, like do you want to get message apps, or get people to watch your videos, website? Do you want to do you want to divert them to any website or apps, or get people to engage your Facebook page? Which one you want? Let's say we want messaging. Okay, messaging apps. So click to the message or a sponsored message. Let's say click to the message. Now you need to select the page. Here we have one page, An-Noor. Okay, let's skip it, or just click. You need to be admin, or you need to be an allowed person who can run ads on that particular page. Okay, so let's say we have Meta Marketing Agency. I will run from this ad. Okay, we will only get message where you want to get message. Okay, WhatsApp and Messenger. Okay, we'll not get from WhatsApp, not in no Instagram. We will get message only from Messenger. Okay, so now what do you need to do? Performance goal. What is your goal? Goal is maximize number of conversion. Okay, it's okay, keep it the way it is. Now here have written verifying your changes. Okay, you need to select the end date. Okay, you have $50 budget. Now you need to choose end date when you want to end. Let's say we will, today is 8 May 2023, we will end it 13 May. Okay, so it will be like that. So now we have clicked in the before page. Before clicking on next, we have seen that we click on run ads on schedule. Now it's showing me the full schedule, that when you want to select. You can even hourly select, like 12 a.m. or you want to run 3 a.m. Monday, or you want to run your ad at 6 a.m. okay, 9 a.m. Or if you want to click only Monday, this is about only Monday. Or if you want to create it every day, then click from here every day. This hour it will run. Okay, this time. Like, why it is important? Because sometimes if you want to optimize your balance or your money, then you need to use this one. Mainly, I mean, though many people don't use it, still some people still do. Like, you have a product and everyone is busy on the regular stay, office day. So if you they find usually time in the weekend. So if you want to see the weekend, you can, in different parts of the country have different weekend. Like Sunday is most Western country, and most Asian country or Muslim country have their uh, weekend is Friday mainly. So these are the criteria that you can select, like, or you can select every day. Okay, otherwise you can select only Sunday or only Monday. So these are the thing that you can schedule your time, that when you want to, you can for example, if you select 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., we will show your ads to people from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. their local time. Okay, so the location is important where you want to create, want to show your ad. So this is all about schedule. I think you understand that what is schedule or a scheduling ad. So now go to more audience, define who you want to see your ads, who you new audience. Okay, there is no existing audience. Custom audience, create new. So what kind of audience you want, just create a custom audience. Okay, you maybe the people who are already liked or follow your page, you can select them as well. Your source, okay, offline activity or website. If you have any website, then you can select that the people who are watching connect with the people who have already shown an interest to your business product. So if you have a website, you can click on a website that those people who are visiting your website, they will show the ad, or Facebook page. Those who have already liked your page, they will see. So select the next. So the page, you need to select that which page you want to meta marketing. Okay, this is the page. So you can select here. There is other ways as well. So I don't want this thing right now. This is the location, that what types where you want to create your ad, like here in Bangladesh. You can add more country. Okay, just search, or you can specify within your country. Okay, like India, let's say Indian, one of the Kerala, let's say Calcutta, Kerala. There will be shown your ad here and there. Okay, look at this. This is the position that where you can create your ad. Mainly, you will before selecting location, you need to analyze that where is your customers. If your customers is within Bangladesh or within India, you can select it. Or if even if it is within a certain region, a small region or big region, so you can select very small tiny area as well. Like if I select, okay, I will cut these two things. Okay, I will select only Dhaka. Okay, only Dhaka division. So it will show this ad only within Dhaka. Or if you select it like Chittagong, so it will select only this area. Okay, like if you want to select New York, sorry, let's say New York. So your ad will be shown only within New York, not full in America. So that's it. So after selecting your audience location, now you need to select the age. What will be the age? Like if you have a certain product which is only by young people, then you need to reduce this age. Like you can create 30. So the ad will be shown within 18 to 30 years old people. Or if you think it is all for older people or mass people, you can select. I mean, if you think it is more above than 30, the people use, then you can select like 50, 30 to 50. So you can customize your age, even gender, all gender, or you can select only men or only women. If it is cosmetic product or for women product, you can select only women for your basic audience. Or if you think that your main audience customer is men, then men, or both of them. So keep it both. Then comes include people who match. This is the very important things and very important for your target audience. Now you need to create ad demographics, interest, or behaviors from the suggestion. Like what kind of ad or you want to create. Okay, like if you want to create, I mean, job or post promote a job or something like that, you need to select the career, employment. Then you have a lot of then we'll browse more demographics, select the demographic, education level. How will be the education level? Undergraduates, school student, or even you can select the field of study. So just select it. School, if you want to select a school, or associate degree, college grad, a doctorate degree, high school grad. So you can select multiple options from there, like how is their financial or economic range. You can think household income, okay, life event, okay, anniversary. You can birthday if you want to sell birthday. You can birthday, upcoming birthday. You can select your audience, those who have upcoming birthday, okay, like those who got a new job or new relationship. So this way you can select all demography, that what kind of people are they, and then comes to or their work, their work, what types of work they do, okay, industry. You can select that. You will select in arts, entertainment, and sport media industry, those who are working. So these are the demographics. Then comes interest, what types of interest they have. They have interest in entertainment, laser, okay, select what types of laser games or action games, board games. just just keep going, just keep going, that, or puzzle video games or racing games. You'll select only this two. So this the way you can select interest. There have a lot of interest, what types of hobbies, fashion, okay, they're shopping, likely to shop something from luxury goods, or are they looking for discount store. If they're looking for discount store, you can select it, or luxury goods. So you will select according to your desired product, okay, or the product you want to sell. And then comes behavior, what types of behavior are they, expats or digital activities they're involved behavior. Then comes purchase behavior, how is their purchase behavior, purchase with offer. They usually purchase when some company gives offer, then select it, purchase with offer. So there have a lot more you need to explore. Or travel, how frequent the traveler, select those who are frequently traveler. So after these are the three criteria, that if you can select demographics, then behavior, then interest. After selecting these things, you need to save your audience, okay. Even so, these are the things is is the that you will need to save, okay. So we have saved our audience. You can also change the language, what is the language of your customers. So now the placement is where you want to show your ads. Now let Facebook select like advantage plus placement, or which is Facebook will decide that where you should and where you shouldn't. Otherwise you can set manually. I usually do manually, because manually placement is good, because I don't want some places where my ad should be shown. Like I don't have very Instagram activities, so I keep it off, no Instagram activities. And if you go only Facebook Messenger and audience network. So if you go a bottom side of that, you will be able to select the placement more specifically. Like here I have Facebook feed, okay fine, I need Facebook marketplace, yes. Facebook video feed, okay fine. Messenger inbox, okay, I need this. I have deselect the Instagram, so that's why Instagram is right now it's not shown. So there is the stream ads for videos. If you want that people will get, I don't want this one, so unselect this. So after selecting your audience, you need to, and selecting your time schedule, you need to go to click on next. So okay, we are in the final phase of creating our advertisement. So this is the final phase where you will create new engagement ad. This is the last things. So this is your Facebook page. You have select, and then you go to the bottom. Now create ad. This is the option you need to create, or you can use existing post. Use Creative Hub Mockup. Now you have, usually we use two things: create ad. If you keep it create ad, you need to give single image or video. Or carousel, we will use two or more scrollable image or videos. Okay. Now if single image, you need to, from this media, you need to add an image. Okay. Suppose you will add this image, like I want to select, like, okay, let's select this image. Let Kuwait work visa. Let's say this is our template, though it's not. It's for only for example. So select a next and partial optimize. Yes, all optimize. Okay, done. So then you need to add primary text. Okay, and secondary text. Okay, here you can see that here I have written, and then you can write down more. So the apps will be shown like the 10 placement. Now we don't want that. We want to, if you want to exit, okay, let me clarify the whole things. So if you give single image, then you will get these things. You need to input primary text. You have also other add text option. You can add more text, which will be shown here, like in the preview section. This will be the way the ad will be shown, is sponsored Kuwait visa, and you can add more things like contact and so on. Like this is the messenger, they will get message from it. Or if you did traffic, they would, you would able to call them. So we want to use existing post. You know, we don't have time, so use existing post. And then select post. Click on select post, then here will be shown what types of post you can. So this is the thing that I want to promote. Select it and click on continue, like so. This has comes. If you can select automated chat or start a conversation. So now we have successfully add our existing post for. So click on advanced preview. Now you will see your, how it will look like your ad. Here is the feed, Facebook feed. It will look like this way. And then here I have marketplace. On the marketplace you will see like this way, and on the video feed they will see this way. Okay, here I have written that creative image cannot render in a specific aspect ratio. You need to keep your image in a Facebook ratio. Now if you click here on published, like if I click here published, it will start counting. So now it will be on review side. Okay, So cut it off. Now here you can see we have created this ad and it is written processing. Okay, if you come to your ad manager, you will able to see it. This is the ad, this is our ad, and it is written that processing. Let's unselect, but we don't want it, right? This is the things, ads inactive. It is on the process. Now we want to delete it because it was only for demo. So if you want to delete your ads, now this was our active ad, which is fine, which is running very well. And this is that you need to select it. Like if you don't want to um, publish it, you need to select it. Or if you, for any mistake, you publish this ad and you want to delete, select it and then click on more and click on delete. Okay. Okay, the ad is deleted. So now if you want to edit, still you can edit, click on edit and you have the option to edit your whole thing again. Okay, this is the ad which is currently running. It is 18 to 50 year and it is mainly for basically for expat who want to go to abroad for study or for work permit. So interest, career, work, United Arab Emirates, Slovakia, work abroad. So this is how I have created the ad. So I don't want this time to edit this one. So after editing, you just click on again published. It will take maybe 30 minutes or less than that or more than that. It depends. They will review and publish it again. So thank you for watching such a boring video. Hope for the best for you. And you can also be connected with our we have also an agency which called Meta Marketing Agency. You can visit that Facebook page and message us. If you have any query, you can comment below. I will try to answer those as well. Thank you for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.